Welcome. Let's begin with a big, slow breath in through our nose and holding and slowly letting it out.
Hi, welcome to Be Well with Miss Bea. I'm Miss Bea with my fur friends Quill and Oliver. We hope you're staying well, keeping calm, and making healthy choices. So what are we going to learn about today?
Today we are making slime.
The slime we'll be making today is a putty slime. This can be a great calm down tool. You can also put it in a balloon to make a stretchy stress ball. So what we'll need today is conditioner, cornstarch, a bowl, and a balloon if you want. So let's get started.
This slime recipe today is super simple. We use 2 parts conditioner for 1 part cornstarch. A 1/4 cup of cornstarch, pretty even. Make sure it's filled for the most part. That'll work. And now we will use 2 parts conditioner. So we will do 2 1/4 cups, so 2 parts to 1, or a 1/2 cup of conditioner. And we'll scoop it in and we'll just mix it up. Just keep mixing. This one's looking a little watery. I may need to add a little extra cornstarch. Okay, so this is looking good now. Just keep adding until it starts to come together. Keep adding cornstarch, or if it's super dry, add more shampoo. And you'll want it to look sticky, but not actually feel sticky or stick to you too much. That is the goal, to make it more of a slime. So this is still a little sticky. I might end up adding just a tiny bit more cornstarch, but it's coming together. It's sticking to itself. So you can see it's getting pretty tough to mix, right? So this is it. This is the texture we're looking for. You poke it, it holds its shape. You can stretch it, and it doesn't stick to you. Sometimes it takes a while to get here. I think it depends on the conditioner, how much oil's in the conditioner. So this one I added more cornstarch than I normally would. This is perfect. So you could be done right here. You've got a whole bowl of awesome super slime. I recommend definitely keeping it in a plastic bag when you're not using it, or I will show you how to stick this into a balloon to make a stretchy stress ball. Just use scissors to cut the top off, and definitely have an adult do that for you. That's why I didn't bother showing it. Or if you just had a funnel, that would work well too. So what we'll do, kind of roll the balloon up and just stick it over the top of that homemade funnel. And I'm just gonna pick it up and push it through the funnel. So that is pretty easy. Push it in, push it through. That is as full as I really want it. I don't want it too firm. I don't want to risk popping it. So just grab the funnel, grab the balloon, and pop, pull it off. Super simple, super easy. So if you can do this yourself, go ahead. Otherwise, ask a helpful adult to just tie off your balloon, just as you would a normal balloon. I only tie it once. I've never had any problems with that. Trimming the end off just to make it a little neater. Perfect. And there you have it. A simple, squeezy stress ball and plenty of regular slime left over to play with. So 2 different options here for your fidgeting fun.
Thank you for joining us today. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe to catch the next video. Be well.